Hey, are you looking for some ways to improve your garden naturally? Got 3 hacks that will do just that. First, let's deal with weeds. Nobody likes weeds in their garden or in their gravel mulch like I have here. One of the best things to use is just vinegar. It's acetic acid, and you can apply it just by spraying the weeds. When the sun hits them, the plants will die. And what you'll find is the smaller the plants, the little baby ones, die much quicker. The thing I've learned about using acetic acid is that it doesn't always kill the plant completely. It'll cause the foliage of the plant to die back, but then the plant will re-emerge. Okay, now let's talk about nutrition. How about something that you might ordinarily throw away that could really benefit your plants? Banana peels can provide your flowering and fruiting plants with nutrients such as potassium, calcium, and phosphorus. Just bury a peel under the ground at the base of a plant and just let it decompose, and nature will do the rest. Now let's talk about the condition of soil and how to improve it. To improve the quality, you can do things to improve aeration, drainage, as well as moisture retention by adding things from the kitchen, like coffee grounds are excellent, tea leaves, as well as crushed eggshells. These are things you'd ordinarily throw away, so why not use them in the garden? Clearly, it would take a lot of these kitchen throwaways to make a difference, the banana peels included. But hey, you're throwing them away, why not put them to work in the garden?